Hi, my name is Emily Ewell, and I am the daughter to the owners of the company, Beauty by Nature, and I'm going to be doing Berkeley's makeup today. The foundation is matte, and it also has an SPF 15. It doesn't have any preservatives or things like that in it, and it is all natural. So I'm just going to start right over here, and I'm going to do little circles. I'm just going to have a little bit on the brush each time. We're going to use this really small flat brush and just get a little bit on there, and we're going to use this as a concealer. We're going to go under her eyes, around the shadows of the nose, and if she does have any blemishes that she'd like to cover up a little bit better. What we're going to do with Berkeley is, since we're keeping her all natural, I'm going to go ahead and use our eye primer. And you can use a Q-tip or your finger, but I'm just going to go ahead and go with the Q-tip, and so we'll just have her close her eyes. With the colors that we have, since we have so many different colors, you can always find something to go with any color pretty much.
I really like the eyeshadows. They blend well together, and I like how it feels on my skin too. It's really light, and it feels natural, and it feels like none of my skin's clogged up. It felt good when she was putting it on too, and I just like the way it looks.